If someone's being picked on, you don't walk away. A brave and friendly helper can save the day. Stand up, speak out, say hey, that's not okay. 'Cause bullying is something that we never let stay. Kind words only, that's our rule. Kind hearts always win. And when we lift each other up, we make a team again. No bullying allowed, no bullying here. We spread respect and kindness, we make that super clear. No bullying allowed, no pushing, no putting down. We choose to build each other up in every class and town. Being a hero is easy to do. Just treat others how you'd want them to treat you. If you see bullying, don't look away. Say, no bullying allowed. Not here, no way. No bullying allowed, no bullying today. We shine with love and kindness in everything we say. No bullying allowed.